Chill out. Relax. After a long day at work, it's important to chill out and unwind with some soothing music. Pass away. Die. Unfortunately, my grandfather passed away last year, but his memories will always stay with us. Look up to. Admire. As a young athlete, I've always looked up to Serena Williams for her determination and resilience. Turn down. Refuse. I had to turn down the job offer because it required too much travel, and I want to spend more time with my family. Think over. Consider. Before making a decision, it's crucial to think it over carefully and consider all the possible outcomes. Carry on. Continue. Despite facing setbacks, we must carry on with our goals and dreams to achieve success. Break up. To end a relationship. Sarah and Tom decided to break up after realizing they wanted different things in life. Catch up. To reach the same level or progress as others. After missing a week of classes due to illness, I need to work hard to catch up with my classmates. Figure out. To understand or solve something. It took me a while, but I finally figured out how to solve the difficult math problem. Go over. To review or examine something carefully. Before the exam, it's essential to go over your notes and highlight key points. Hang out. To spend time with someone casually. Let's hang out at the park this weekend and enjoy the nice weather together. Keep up. To maintain the same pace or level as others. I struggled to keep up with the fast pace of the marathon, but I managed to finish strong. Make up. To invent or create something, or to reconcile after an argument. After their argument, they decided to make up and apologize to each other. Put off. To postpone or delay something. I'll have to put off the meeting until next week, due to scheduling conflicts. Set up. To arrange or establish something. We need to set up a meeting to discuss the details of the project. Take off. Take off. To become successful or to leave quickly. The new fashion line is starting to take off, and sales have been booming. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a double tap, and remember to save it for later and share it with a friend. Let's continue our learning journey together.